Air pollution is recognized as one of the major risks for our health. Exposure to air pollution increases a person's risk of contracting a disease such as lung cancer, stroke, heart disease, and chronic bronchitis. Air quality can be thus substantially improved by monitoring some of the key parameters such as particulate matter, short PM, oxidizing gases, short NOx, volatile organic compounds, short VOCs, as well as humidity and temperature. Sensing these quantities all together can be a challenging task in developing a specific application, such as air purifiers or indoor quality monitors. Sensirion's environmental node SEN5X is the perfect solution to reduce development time and cost. One unit to detect all the relevant air quality parameters. Hi, my name is Antonio and I'm the product manager for Sensirion's particulate matter and combo sensors. Today, I would like to show you our new generation environmental sensor node SEN5X and evaluation kit. SEN5X integrates PM, NOx, VOC, as well as humidity and temperature sensors in one platform. The SEN5X allows a fast and easy integration, one driver for up to 8 data signals with superior sensing accuracy and lifetime. Lastly, the module features a fully calibrated digital output. The SEN5X family is composed by 3 variants: SEN54 offering PM, VOC, humidity and temperature sensors, SEN55 same as SEN54 and with NOx, SEN50 as PM-only platform. The modules share the same form factor and interface for an easy interchange of the different variants. The environmental nodes are designed specifically to meet the requirements of the following applications: air purifiers, indoor quality monitors, HVAC equipment, air conditioners and exchangers, smart home, IoT devices, and air quality. The combination of all measurement parameters in a single device allows manufacturers to reduce design and integration efforts and costs, shorten development times, and simplify their supply chain. Sensirion algorithms enable straightforward integration into the desired application. The implemented Sensirion temperature acceleration routine, the STAR engine, accelerates the device's response to ambient temperature change by a factor of 2-3. This, together with an implemented temperature compensation engine, provides a better user experience and more accurate measurements to the end users. To start evaluating SEN5X in your specific application, please order the evaluation kit SEC SEN5X from our associated distributors. Let's see what's inside. You will find the flyers with a QR code which leads you to the landing page of the evaluation kit. There you may find documentation, drivers, firmware, tutorials, and other information. Most importantly, the kit contains a SEN55. Note that SEN55 sensor features all the functionalities of the SEN5X family. There are also 2 sets of cables, a jumper wire cable with a matching connector to connect the SEC SEN5X to embedded platforms like Arduino or Raspberry Pi. An adapter cable allows you to connect the sensor to a PC or Mac using Sensirion Sensor Bridge. The sensor bridge has to be purchased separately. To control the sensor with your PC, download and install the latest version of the Control Center Viewer software, which you can find under the displayed link. Now we have everything we need to start our first evaluation of the sensor. If the sensor is connected, you will find the device in the left panel. In order to start your measurements, simply click to the Start button. In the same panel, you can change the settings, adjusting the fan cleaning, the temperature compensation and acceleration parameters. You can also enable the expert sections to tune VOC and NOx algorithm and the warm start parameters. On the right, you will see panels for the different sensing parameters: PM, mass concentration, VOC, NOx, RHD, and particle composition. Let's perform some basic experiments to see how the sensor reacts. To create particle event, you can generate particles by striking a match. As you can see, SEN 55 is able to capture this smoke event. To test the other parameters, let's take a big glass to create a closed environment and a lighter. By pressing the button without igniting the flame, we can release gas and see how VOC index reacts. By igniting the flames, we can see change in humidity, temperature, as well as NOx index. Of course, more elaborate setups like climate chambers or gas testing setups can be used to obtain more accurate measurements. As you can see, our SEC SEN 5X evaluation kit combined with the free Control Center Viewer software is the perfect tool to evaluate our SEN 5X for your application. Start your own evaluation by purchasing the evaluation kit now via one of our many distributor partners. Visit our website for more information. Thanks for watching, make sure to subscribe and hopefully see you soon.